Hello everyone, I'm Dr.Anju Soni. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to manage your kids' anger. We should understand that anger is a normal, healthy emotion and all of us get angry sometimes, including kids. But some kids are angry almost all the time. Even for small things, often they talk back to parents and elders. Sometimes they get into fights when they play games with their siblings or friends. They argue and get upset for even small casual or funny things, and they can't accept no for any answer. There are many factors which can make children angry, and for some of them, mental health issues may also be underlying factors to their anger outbursts. Some children have lesser tolerance for frustration than others do. Some children have very short temper. When kids are not happy, they become impatient, intolerant, and sometimes aggressive. Dealing with child's angry behavior can be very stressful for the entire family. It's important to keep an eye out for behaviors that goes beyond normal childhood behavior. We must understand that children are communicating through their behaviors. When a child is lashing out with anger, it may be because due to distress, angry outbursts such as yelling, fighting, throwing tantrums, maybe due to their lack of impulse control or language or problem solving abilities. These may lead to problems at school, peer rejection, and poor mental health in adulthood. Sometimes parents see this kind of explosive behavior as manipulative. As a child gets older, their anger problems become more and more dangerous to the parents and the child. As a parent, you may be finding it difficult dealing with your child's anger. We often end up shouting at our kids. Sometimes we even freeze out not knowing what to do. We have to remember it is very important that how we express, respond, react, and deal the feelings of anger of our children. Parents need to learn and teach their children behavioral approaches and techniques which can be helpful for many kids in controlling and managing their anger. Parents who are confident, calm, and consistent can see success in helping their child develop anger management skills to regulate their behavior. These 5 tips can help you and your child to manage anger. Tip number 1: teach healthy coping skills. Children should know appropriate methods to respond when they are angry. Let's say, if there is a fight between siblings, as a parent, instead of telling them don't fight or don't get angry, explain what they can do alternatively, like walking away from the place or take a time out. At times, it helps to do alternative activities to calm them down, such as drawing, coloring, reading books. Engaging their senses in these ways can help them calm both their mind and body. Tell them they can resolve the situation without aggression in a peaceful way. Tip number 2: remain calm and consistent. Don't challenge or yell at your child. More importantly, do not get physical when they are angry. However, this seems to be the most common response by some parents. The best thing you can do is remain calm during an anger outburst. Patiently wait until your child calms down and respond to them in a reasonable way when you are relaxed. Tip number 3: be a role model. Parents should try to be a role model and display on how they manage their own anger as a lesson for their children. There are some good ways to do that. For instance, you can tell to your child that I can't talk to you right now as I'm angry. I will wait and talk to you when I calm down. Letting your child know that you are angry and you need some time to calm down is not a weakness. Instead, you are teaching your child how you are managing your anger and you want your child to learn the same. Tip number 4: avoid triggers. As a parent, we can predict what triggers your child to become upset or angry, such as when you ask them to do their homework, it's time to go to bed, or it's time to stop playing or stop watching TV. Stop using the mobile now. These are triggers for some kids. When they are asked to do something they don't like or to stop doing something they like. These are triggers to be avoided. The best way to handle these triggers is to prepare your child for such tasks or situation by breaking the task down into one step at a time and give them time warnings, such as you are going to stop watching TV in 30 minutes and go to bed. This will help your child to prepare for the situation and help avoid anger meltdowns. Tip number 5. Praise good behavior. Give comfort and affection. Ignore minor misbehavior and praise your child when they deal their anger in a positive way. Make your child understand that you genuinely care about their situation and feelings. Comfort them with your physical presence. Make your child feel loved and accepted. Sometimes a gentle hug and a pat on the shoulder can be powerful and soothing. It's normal for your child to find it difficult to manage anger at times, but with practice and your guidance, your child can improve their anger management skills. If you find that your child is unable to control their anger and anger problems seems to be getting out of control most of the times, consider getting professional help. A mental health counselor can teach you and your child anger management skills and also can address any underlying mental health conditions. Life is beautiful. Stay healthy.